FastMCP 3 implements a provider-based resource discovery pattern, where component providers serve as modular sources of tools, resources, and prompts that the server aggregates and exposes to clients. This abstraction enables compositional server architecture, allowing developers to integrate multiple component sources, such as local definitions, remote servers, or dynamic databases, without tightly coupling the implementation details. In the upcoming code demonstration, you will observe the initialization of a FastMCP server configured with a SkillProvider, which exposes a single skill directory as an MCP resource. The setup involves creating a server instance, specifying a label for identification, and adding a provider that targets a specific skill directory, thereby making its contents discoverable and accessible to clients through standardized MCP protocols.
From passlib import pass. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. From FastMCP server provider skills, import SkillProvider. MCP equals FastMCP single skill. MCP, add provider SkillProvider path, home/Claude/skills, PDF processing.
This code demonstrates the FastMCP provider pattern for resource discovery, specifically using a SkillProvider to expose a single skill directory as MCP resources. The pattern follows a compositional architecture where providers act as modular sources of tools and resources, allowing servers to aggregate capabilities from multiple sources seamlessly. The implementation creates a FastMCP server instance labeled single skill and adds a SkillProvider pointing to a specific skill directory, /Claude/skills/PDF processing. This provider will expose the skill's main instruction file, manifest, and supporting files as MCP resources with skill//URIs, making them discoverable and accessible to any MCP client. The server identifier is purely for client identification during protocol handshakes and doesn't affect functionality. This approach provides fine-grained control over individual skill exposure, which is useful when you need to expose exactly one skill or require specific configuration for that skill. The trade-off is that you'd need to manually add providers for each additional skill, whereas a skills directory provider would automatically discover all skills in a directory. The single provider pattern is particularly valuable during development or when integrating skills from different sources with distinct configurations. Let's break it down.
From passlib import path.
Imports path from the pathlib module for cross-platform file system path manipulation.
From FastMCP, import FastMCP.
Imports the FastMCP class from the FastMCP module, which is the main class for creating MCP servers.
From FastMCP server provider skills, import SkillProvider.
Imports the SkillProvider class from the FastMCP server providers module, which enables access to AI agent skills as MCP resources.
MCP equals FastMCP single skill.
Creates a FastMCP server instance with the identifier single skill that will appear in MCP protocol handshakes for client identification. The string parameter serves only as a server label and does not configure operational behavior or mode.
MCP, add provider SkillProvider path, home/Claude/skills, PDF processing.
Adds a skill provider to the MCP instance that loads skills from the user's local Claude skills directory at /Claude/skills/PDF processing. The provider will expose any PDF processing skills found in that directory as MCP resources, making them discoverable and usable by clients. The FastMCP 3 provider pattern enables modular resource discovery by aggregating capabilities from multiple sources. This example demonstrates that pattern using a SkillProvider to expose a single skill directory as MCP resources. The server instance, labeled Single Skill, acts as a compositional hub that delegates resource discovery to the provider. The SkillProvider targets a specific directory, making its contents available to clients through standardized MCP protocols with skill//URIs. This approach offers fine-grained control over individual skill exposure, which is particularly useful during development or when integrating skills with distinct configurations. The trade-off is manual provider management for each skill, contrasting with automated discovery via a skills directory provider. The key insight is that providers abstract resource sources, allowing servers to seamlessly integrate diverse components, whether local, remote, or dynamic, without tight coupling.
The SkillProvider lights the path, yet the client trips over the same familiar furniture.